So we're going to be moving a article to a doc to a folder. So we're going to highlight the title of the article, copy it, go to Google Doc, and paste it right here. Then we're going to go back to the article and we're going to put it in to this Google Doc. So we're going to press this right here, save, then press save again up here. And we're going to highlight the text, copy it, paste it. Then we're going to put it into a file. So we're going to press this gray folder up here. Then we're going to press the argumentative folder sources 2019. We're going to move it there. Then it says it's moved from my drive to argumentative sources 2019. So here in the folder it says should you be rewarded. So this is my doc, and this is where your doc should be. Thanks for watching.